truly, it's like that we go on a hotel trip. Let's go. So welcome back. So I'm going to again. So guys, so they have camping 12. So we only have 2 more camping for this channel, and then I'm gonna do the challenge that I have already planned. So yeah, so let's just play. So today we're going to a whole trip to have like a party, guys. And you see, and just because we're going somewhere, if I lose one time, game like if I lose one time, then after that for the video. We'll be staying at this hotel tonight. Gather around, let's all check in. I remember how to play this game, but let me turn my volume down. There. Okay, so alright, this will take a minute. Feel free to look around. Ooh, what is over here? Because I like to look around and look at suspicious places. Because there could be that I come back to just play them and to have fun, or to do some challenges again, like in some that I only do one. Because if I lose or win, because now finally let's check in. Let's get some sleep. Everyone goes to bed. But so just because you know, this is just because of everything, you know. But we're going in the elevator. Only us 3. This is a little suspicious. I would have suspected. Everything like that is stuck. That's weird. It's working again. And guys, and if you don't want after those dogs, okay, check they go to timersman.com. So now let's get back to the video. Before we do anything, it doesn't let me read it, guys. We're gonna do anything. I can't seem to find this. And I don't know, she's telling the room. Can someone find it? Maybe check the hotel rooms. Well, yeah. One room she's gonna be in. I don't remember. She's not in here. Let's come and check all these rooms. Because it looks suspicious. Because guys, when I was like a really long time or something, I was playing like off camera and someone find me. That's good. I can find them. Where are you? You just say I'm here. We cannot see. Where are you? Yeah, ask. Because if you ask, then no. She don't know. Oh, okay, guys. So yeah. Maybe this room. Nope, it has all of it. Oh, lol. I cannot find her. Oh my god, guys. The bed is blue. Okay, it might be downstairs. I believe. I just go downstairs just to check. I want to fall to the very bottom. But where are you? The blue is red. I mean the bed is blue. Yes. Oh my god, guys! It's really hard. I mean the other floor. Every of the beds are almost the same, guys. Okay. It might be the really hard dive because I want to continue this game. I like to continue games, but we cannot continue. Found it. That was strange. Okay. I gotta go back. Before we sleep, I'll be telling you an old story about. Before we sleep, I'll be telling you an old story about a crazy man that once lived here. Oh. Some of you may know him. Once upon a time, there was a rockstar named John Doe. He was born in this very town and killed countless victims. According to local websites, he is still around. Uh-oh, just kidding. Why were you kid? They got scared. Anyway, who turned the lights off? Whoever did, could you turn them back on? What I know is who was laughing. Quick, be careful. I look on the lights back on. Oof, guys. Because we had no choice but to stay the night. It's too dangerous to go. Guys, any of you want this ID? Everyone get to your rooms and try to survive the night. I don't know, guys. So yes, had this. But guys, we are going, guys. So I don't know if it's already half time, guys. But guys, whenever you want this ID, then you have to be my friend in Roblox because guys, this is unlimited. So, guys. Yeah. So let's try this. But guys, but I did the video. You had to take like a glimpse of this. Bang! I have two kinds of bang. This is the bang of Banster and Energy. And this is cotton candy. I gotta have so many energy. Oh my god, guys. But yeah. Okay, so guys, so now I have to leave, guys. And I just like be recording or something. But oh, guys, I'm sorry, but I need you to part 2. But well, guys, I went to the exit. Okay, guys. And I'm sorry for that, but where are those? Who's there? Wow, that's me, John Dewey. What do they want from us? This is of my times by Misley Rorax.
Venga, no, muchacha. No la dejes que se va a tener el pañazo. Aquí afuera.
Ever since I have been able to return, I will let you live on one condition. What? We must destroy this hotel. How are we supposed to do that? At the bottom of this hotel there are 4 pillars. We must enter them and destroy them. We will do it, please. Let us live. Hurry, find the pillars and face these bombs. Malia, no, easy. They may be lost souls, so not touch them.
Chávez, voy a poner esta primero. O ella la ponemos.
Three bombs and 4 pillars. Hello, where are you? All the bombs have been placed. For now, to activate them. But where?
Disponible por antena y todos los proveedores de televisión en tu área.
I guess I don't even know what to do. So I just started to find an exit and things. Pero si no sabes. Sí sabe, dude.